I'm Jane Lauterbach and welcome to The Purpose Works. Today's video is about how we regain trust as a leader when your team has lied to you or withheld information from you. As a coach and a former executive, it's incredibly frustrating and demoralizing to feel that you're not being given the full story by your team. It can be especially difficult when that lack of honesty leads to negative consequences for the company as a whole. The first thing to understand is that regaining trust is a process, and it will not happen overnight. It takes time, deliberate effort, and a deep commitment on your part and everybody else's to rebuild the trust that has been broken. And here's a couple steps that you can take to begin that process. The first one is for everybody to acknowledge the situation. It's important to acknowledge and recognize that there's been this breach, where it happened, how it happened, and where you're going to fix that area that's been disrupted. It means that acknowledging any mistakes that have been made and for everybody to take the responsibility for them. You need to communicate openly, consistently, and transparently. You need to be honest about what's happened and explaining why it happened, and importantly, how you're going to move forward with that sense of clarity and transparency to get to that much better place. The third thing is to establish clear expectations. Make sure that everybody understands what's the value and level of respect that's required from everyone, and for everybody to help each other, making sure that they live up to that responsibility and that there is no opportunity for fault. And the fourth one is to follow through on your promises, to live by example. If you say you're going to go do something, make sure that you follow through on it. The only way to rebuild trust is showing that you're reliable and dependable. And the fifth thing is to be patient. Rebuilding trust takes time. It's important to be patient as you work through the entire process over and over and over again. It may be difficult at times, but stay committed. And if you follow these steps, you can rebuild the trust that has been broken and move forward even stronger than where you've been. I hope these tips have been helpful. Remember, rebuilding trust is a process. It takes time and effort, but following all these steps and staying committed to them will make sure that you can rebuild that trust that's been broken and to build an even stronger and more united team. Thank you for watching. Share your comments, share this video with others. We welcome your feedback. Thank you.